Alright, today is December 19th. Nina dropped her car off to keep it here through the winter. And I'm just documenting any damage so it doesn't come back to bite me in the ass somehow. A bunch of scratches on the front here. Dings or whatever. Normal Chicago looking driving. All this, okay? Man. Alright. It's like something there. Rust. And there's a scratch here. Can't really see it. But whatever. Okay, no, not whatever, but okay. That rust. That was there. Door looks good, glass is good. Okay, that. Back quarter panel, some rust. Okay. Into this, here we go. Starts more. Bumper tag, Chicago. Driving. This. If you can see it. How can I see it? Okay, that's a better. Alright. This here. Paint is all chipped off. No big deal. All this. Not all this. Make it sound worse than it is. Anyways. It's the bumper still. Some stuff here. Here. Okay, so it's just a drip mark. Now, thought I saw a slight scratch here, like that thing, but alright. The rest here, this is the rest of the quarter panel. See all that dented on the metal, scratched all along here, barely though. There's a dent here, you can see it. Oh, that, okay, there's, she ran into, or somebody ran into something here, brushed up against something, pushed in the metal here. Luckily, that's all. You can see all that. See the outline here, rust here, okay, I didn't cause any of this. Some dings there, or whatever that thing. The door looks pretty good. Just the rust here. That all looks really good. Alright, so we came all the way around. The hood here. I don't know if that's weird. I don't know what that's from, but then the scratch is here on the hood. This is the front hood. Can I see that? Yeah. Goes across here, here. Minimal stuff. Looks like just weather. There's some crazy shit here. I don't know what it is. Scratch, but whatever. It's nothing. Yeah. Anything on the hood? I don't think so. I don't see anything. Oh, some rust, but that's just chips. But that has to be taken care of. Alright. Should be it. Windows intact. Oh yeah, rear view mirrors, okay. Hold on, let me see the other one. Alright. Any anomalies? Anything else? I think so. Still working, I guess. I don't know. I wonder. Looks like it's cracked. I don't know how stable it is, but oh well. Alright, that's it right now. Anything weird under here is just dirt. Rust there.